Hey guys, I've got a joke for you now. A man was talking to God and he asked God, "What's a million years like to you?" And God said, "It's like a second." And then the man asked God, "What's $1 million like to you?" "Oh, it's just like a penny." In that case, the man said to God, "Can I have a penny?" And God responded, "Just a second." Okay.
Okay, that's Uncle Jim, and he loves his jokes. So you see where I'm coming from every morning, right? Right. Okay. All right, let's go with math. You're doing lesson 128 today, and then you have a test, and it's test number 12, and we'll go over that here in just a minute. But the first part, and we've done that all along, but we've got plot the points on the graph. The first one is 3, 1. Second one is 3, 4. The next one is 5, 6. Doesn't look like a comma. D is 7, 4. E is 7, 1. So you've got your graph here. And on this side it goes up to 6, and this side it goes all the way to 9. So 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And each one of these has to make 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Mrs. Klett does not draw well and does not do straight lines. And you can tell that, right? So we're going to start at 0 for both of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doesn't look like an 8. And then we'll go up to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so A is 3 and 1. Your first number, you always go to the right first and then up. So 1, 2, 3, up 1. That is A. B, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, then up 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's B. C, forget the line. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's C. D, 7 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's D. And E, 7 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And that is E. So, first of all, you draw a line from A to B. There's your line. Draw a line from B to C. Next, draw a line from C to D. Whoops, I know what it's looking like. Draw a line from D to E. Then draw a line from E to A. And draw a line from B over to D, which was a little not straight. Looks like a house to me. How about you? Okay. On the next side, number 4. Did we do 3? We did. Number 4. Draw a cube, and you may use your ruler. It shows you how to, but if you use your ruler and don't do it on the fly like I'm doing, it should come out a lot nicer. So let's see what kind of a cube I can do. So first of all, you draw a square, okay? So draw a square, okay? Then draw an overlapping square. Put it in front of and to the right of the first square. So we're going to put it over here. Okay, square and square. Then you draw lines to connect the vertexes of the two squares. And what's a vertex? It's where your lines meet. So you take those, mark them. So this one goes to that one goes to that one, this one goes to that one goes there. And now we have a cube. How about that? So then color the faces yellow and trace the edges blue. So the faces are all the outside edges. You can draw this one yellow as well, but the edges are to be blue. Okay. Draw a purple dot at each vertex, which I absolutely did, didn't I? I did do the other. And so then you have to count them. How many faces, how many vertexes, and how many edges. So I'm going to let you guys do that. And it's something you'll need to know later on in math, and so it's a good thing to know. So you'll count these faces. Don't forget this back one. And then you will count your vertexes. Okay. And how many edges? I forget where I went. But we can just do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 of them. So your math is pretty easy today to give you time to do your math test 12. And let me tell you what's on that so that you'll know what to make sure you know how to do. The first one is a story problem, and it does have 2 steps to it. The next one is follow the signs: addition, subtraction, multiplication. You all know how to do that. And then some more on that one. You're going to be adding fractions and subtracting fractions. You've been doing a good job with that, so I think you'll be fine. If you need anything, go to the IXL and practice it ahead of time. Then you're going to divide and check. You have 3 problems of that. If you have a tough time with that, go on your IXL and practice it, or call me. Then you are to find the fractional part of each whole number. We just did that yesterday, so you should be able to do that. Remember the 1/4 of 64, of 24? That's the same as 24 divided by 4. 4 times what makes 24? So that fractional part would be 6. Okay? That is not one of your questions. So there you go. Then you will reduce your fractions to the lowest term. Remember to take your numerator over your denominator. Look at your numerator. Will both of those divide by that number? And if so, that's your biggest number and use it. If not, go to the next one down, that they're both divisible by. They have to both divide by that number, because it has to be, let's say, oh well, you know how to do it. Number 6, you are to mark the circle under the mixed numbers. So I hope you know what a mixed number is. If not, go to IXL or give me a call. And then you have Roman numerals. And you need to write the regular numbers, Arabic numbers, for the Roman numerals. That is a 2-page test. You really should be able to just zoom right through this one. So that's Arithmetic Test 12. Good luck. Bye.